Alright everybody, I'm back again, and now we're going to continue with rekeying our friend that we dropped the pens out of the other day. I've successfully repaired and pinned him up, and I feel like such an idiot for having so much trouble with that C-clip. I had to bend it before I put it on. Such just a brain fart on my part. Anyway, what I've got in front of me today is my Foley Bell Saw 200A that came with the Foley Bell Saw course that I took a couple years ago. And what we're going to do is use this set of Kwikset depth and spacer keys that also came with the course several years ago to cut the first key for this newly penned lock. So the way we're going to do that is essentially just duplicate the cuts on the depth keys in the proper position. So we're going to load our blank onto the cutting register. Make sure it's lined up with the indexing rod there. We're going to be cutting tip to bow instead of bow to tip like the code goes. So our first depth that we're going to have to copy is going to be depth number 3. So we'll go ahead and put the number 3 depth key in there. Make sure the depth key and the blank are properly lined up together in the carriage with our little alignment tool here. They are lined up at the shoulder, so we'll go ahead and drop that. We've got this micrometer here. We want to make sure it's zeroed out. And we'll go ahead and make our first cut. I am going to cut sound because this thing is irritatingly loud. So there's the number 3. Now we'll move on to 6. Line it up. It is go. We are zeroed. Next is 4. Line them up. Here we go. Lock him down. Flip it back, mute the sound, and we'll go again. Second to last cut is our 3. Our other 3. Lock him down, lined up, lock him down harder. And now onto our 5 cut. Last cut on the key, and we will see if I still know what I'm doing. Locked in, lined up. And that should be all the key cutting for now. So let's take this guy out. We can see that he's a little burred up, so we'll just knock those burrs off here with my finger. Not very clean right now. Get him good. He's still a little burred up. See if I got a file or something laying around. Maybe some sandpaper. Doesn't look like I have anything. Wish I had a deburring brush. That would make this so much simpler instead of just sitting here scraping it on different things. So, here's the moment of truth to see if I still know what the hell I'm doing with a key machine, depth keys, spacer keys, and a pinning tray. And, as predicted, we dropped all the pins out again. But this time we can be a little less unintelligent about our repair. Alright everybody, thanks for watching.